To checkmate with two bishops, the first thing we need to do is place our bishops on central squares from where they will control maximum squares. After that, we need our king in one of these two squares to push the white king. So we will try to reach to one of these squares. But often we will be encountered with this scenario when the enemy king won't let us get to these squares. In this case, we need to waste a move, and when the enemy king is forced to move away, our king will jump on to the desired square. After the king is forced back, we have to move our bishops forward. And keep in mind, our bishops will move away from our king, not towards the king. Now we have two choices. Should we move dark bishop or light bishop? We will move the light bishop because if we move dark bishop, the enemy king will come forward and attack our bishops, and we don't want to be attacked. After that, we will move our dark bishop forward. You will notice that the miserable enemy king is losing squares. Now we will repeat the process and get our king closer to push the enemy king even further. Again, we will move light bishop first to avoid the enemy king to come forward. Now we can notice that this miserable king just has two squares to survive, haha. To push the miserable king even further into the corner and deliver the final blow, we need our king to reach to h6. After reaching h6, we want our dark bishop at e7, so that we can take f8 square away from enemy king and pushing him further into the corner. Since the e7 square is controlled by the enemy king, we need to waste a move again. And now our dark bishop can occupy the e7 square. After that, we reach the most important part of our plan. We want to take the g8 square away from the miserable king too. But if we rush this and play our light bishop to f7, then it would be a stalemate. So we need to be careful here and waste a move. And now the red carpet is set for our bishops to finish the job. If you liked the video, leave a like. And if you have other chess problems that you need addressed, leave a comment. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.